We want to determine the antiderivative. Notice the integrated function is a product. We'll go ahead and leave it as a product and perform integration by parts. Recall the integration by parts formula is integral of u dv equals uv minus the integral of v du. Let's go ahead and set this up here on the side. We need to identify u, then find du, identify dv, and then find v. We want to select u so that du is simpler, and therefore we'll let u equal the quadratic function x squared plus 2x because its derivative will be linear and is considered more simple. So u equals x squared plus 2x, which indicates dv must equal sine x dx. Du equals u prime times dx, indicating du equals 2x plus 2 times dx. And v equals the integral of sine x dx, which is negative cosine x plus c, but we leave the plus c for the very end. And now we can apply the integration by parts formula. The given integral is equal to u times v, which is the quantity x squared plus 2x times negative cosine x. Let's write the negative in the front. And we have minus the integral of v du. Because v is negative cosine x, this becomes plus, and the integrated function is cosine x times the quantity 2x plus 2 dx. Let's write that as the quantity 2x plus 2 times cosine x dx. And now we need to perform integration by parts again, where now we'll let u equal the quantity 2x plus 2, where du is going to equal simply 2 times dx. So forming integration by parts again, we have u equals 2x plus 2, and therefore dv must equal cosine x dx. And therefore du is equal to 2 times dx. And v equals the integral of cosine x dx, v equals sine x. Again, we leave the plus c to the very end. So now we apply the integration by parts formula for this integral here. So we still have the opposite of the quantity x squared plus 2x times cosine x. And then again, applying the integration by parts formula to expand this integral, u times v is the quantity 2x plus 2 times sine x, and then minus the integral of v du, which gives us the integral of 2 sine x dx. And now we have a basic integral we can evaluate using a basic integration formula. So the final antiderivative is the opposite of the quantity x squared plus 2x times cosine x plus the quantity 2x plus 2 times sine x, and then minus the integral of 2 sine x dx, which is negative 2 cosine x plus c. Simplifying one last time, we have the opposite of the quantity x squared plus 2x times cosine x plus the quantity 2x plus 2 times sine x plus 2 cosine x plus c. We could expand and try to simplify further, but I'm going to go ahead and leave the antiderivative in this form. I hope you found this helpful.